Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make pizza at home with an air fryer. First, gather your favorite pizza ingredients. You'll need pre-made dough, your preferred sauce, and any toppings you love. Next, preheat your air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures a perfectly crispy crust. Remember to lightly grease the air fryer basket or use parchment paper to prevent sticking and make cleanup a breeze. Now let's assemble your delicious pizza. Roll out your pre-made dough to a size that fits comfortably in your air fryer basket, usually around 6 to 8 inches in diameter. Spread a thin, even layer of your favorite pizza sauce, leaving a small edge for the crust. Then, add your cheese and toppings. Be careful not to overload it, as too many toppings can make the pizza soggy and prevent even cooking. It's time to cook. Carefully transfer your assembled pizza into the preheated air fryer basket. Cook for approximately 8 to 12 minutes. The exact time depends on your air fryer model and desired crispiness. You'll know it's ready when the crust is beautifully golden brown and the cheese is melted and bubbly. For best results, check on your pizza halfway through the cooking process. Once your pizza is perfectly cooked, carefully remove it from the air fryer. It will be hot, so use tongs or a spatula. Allow the pizza to cool for 2 to 3 minutes before slicing. This brief resting period helps the cheese set, preventing it from sliding off. Finally, garnish with fresh basil or a sprinkle of oregano for an extra burst of flavor. Enjoy your quick and easy homemade air fryer pizza.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.